Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of three major cryptocurrency trading platforms, Bybit, Coinbase, and Kraken. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, choosing the right platform is crucial. Today, we'll be comparing these platforms on various aspects like features, pricing, user experience, and more. Let's dive in. Bybit offers a robust set of features, including perpetual contracts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Coinbase, on the other hand, is more beginner-friendly with its easy-to-use interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Kraken offers a mix of both, providing advanced features like futures and margin trading, while also supporting a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies. Each platform has its unique strengths depending on your trading needs. Pricing is a key factor in choosing a platform. Bybit operates on a maker-taker model with a maximum fee of 0.075%. Coinbase's fees are higher, starting at 0.50% for transactions. Kraken also uses a maker-taker model, with fees ranging from 0.00% to 0.26%. It's important to consider these costs in relation to your trading volume and strategy. In terms of user experience, Coinbase stands out with its intuitive interface, making it ideal for beginners. Bybit's interface is more tailored towards advanced traders. Kraken, while offering a comprehensive set of features, has a relatively complex interface, which may be daunting for new users. User experience ultimately depends on your familiarity with trading platforms and personal preference. Security is paramount in cryptocurrency trading. Bybit uses industry-standard security measures, including multi-signature wallets. Coinbase is known for its strong security practices and even offers insurance coverage for digital currencies. Kraken also maintains high security standards and provides additional features like two-factor authentication. All three platforms prioritize user security. Support can be a deciding factor, especially in the volatile world of crypto trading. Bybit offers 24/7 support via live chat. Coinbase provides extensive self-help resources and email support, but lacks live support. Kraken offers 24/7 live chat support and a detailed knowledge base. Consider your support needs when choosing a platform. Based on our comparison, Kraken emerges as the winner. It offers a comprehensive set of features, competitive pricing, robust security measures, and round-the-clock live support. However, the choice ultimately depends on your individual needs. Beginners may find Coinbase easier to use, while advanced traders might prefer Bybit's features. Thank you for watching our comparison of Bybit, Coinbase, and Kraken. We hope this helps you choose the platform that suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy trading!